Welcome to day 3 of my 7-day declutter challenge. If you haven't already watched day 1 and 2 where I declutter my kitchen and master closet, be sure to go watch those next. Today I am decluttering our laundry room. This space also functions as our mudroom off of our garage, so it's a very high traffic area. I have 1 hour to declutter this space, so grab a basket and a garbage bag and declutter a space in your home with me. If you're new to my declutter challenge, the way I like to address decluttering a space is I start at one point and I move clockwise around the room. This is the easiest way to not get sidetracked. I really struggle with walking into a space that's messy and not wanting to clean as I go. So in this challenge, being that I'm only giving myself 1 hour, has really tested my ability to stay on task. If you are someone like this that struggles with getting easily distracted, I would definitely recommend trying this technique where you move clockwise around a room. I think you'll find it very effective. Each cabinet and drawer that I am decluttering, I declutter in the same way where I'm kind of scanning each shelf from left to right as well and top to bottom. This helps me from getting too overwhelmed when I open up a cluttered cabinet. It's April in Minnesota, and while it's still really cold, I am over winter, so I thought today would be a perfect time to pack away all of our winter gear as well. During the warmer months, we just pack away all of our winter gear into bins in the garage. This is a perfect time to declutter things from your home when you're moving things seasonally, especially, winter stuff, Christmas decorations, things like that. Before you pack it away and store it, ask yourself if you like these things. Get those things out of your home that are no longer serving you. As I was decluttering other spaces in my home, I had found some Christmas clothes and just other random items, so I had put them in here to declutter. Just by packing away all of our winter gear, the laundry room immediately feels lighter. At this point, I had less than 10 minutes to declutter this storage area underneath our stairs. I was able to go through every bin in the space and get out quite a bit of stuff. However, it was driving me crazy how unorganized this space is. When you look at it, it looks nice because the bins conceal everything. But other than just being organized by category, the inside of these bins are just mass chaos. So another project for another day. But anyways, I'm glad that I was able to declutter this space as well, and I cannot believe how much stuff is leaving my home today. All right, you guys, this is everything leaving my home, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 where I declutter our bathrooms.